this video, I'll be running through the recent items side panel option. So let's go there. In this section, it basically shows you all the records that you've recently been in, and you can filter through the record types by selecting this drop down menu and selecting the record type you'd like to look for. So for example, candidate, and it will give you a list of all the recent candidate records that you've been in. You can filter the search as well by selecting the option of how many you'd like to see on one page. So for example, you can go from as little as 10 records to as big as 100 records on one page. And you can select view all, and again this will show you all of the record types that you have recently been in. If you go into the options section, this will basically allow you to select what you'd like to see in that record type being displayed in the list. For example, their name, their age maybe, their address, and you can select it for every record type that will display in that list. So for example, for a candidate we've got the ID, the names, email address, city and age. And if you go back to the list and filter it to candidates, it will display their names, their ID, email address, city and age. I hope this helps.